Hi, I'm Joe of Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a toilet flushing handle. A toilet handle is a pretty easy mechanism. It can only malfunction in a few spots. Pretty simple fix. All you need is a pair of pliers. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is troubleshoot the problem. Take the lid off the top of the tank and peek inside to see what it could be. One of four things. It could be maybe the nut is loose on the handle, or maybe the threads are stripped on the handle. It could be that the arm is cracked or broken, or it could be something as simple as the chain has disconnected. One thing it could be is the nut holding the flush handle to the tank could be loose or has fallen off. That's simple. You just need a pliers and tighten the nut. Keep in mind that the threads are reversed on these handles. Clockwise is loosening it, and counterclockwise is tightening it. If the threads are stripped on the handle, a quick fix is adding some plumber's tape or even electrician's tape onto the threads, putting it back on there and getting the nut back on there. Just a quick fix. The best fix is replacing the handle itself. There is a possibility that your handle is stuck in the down position. That could be a possibility that you have the nut too tight. On some of the older tanks, the nut gets too tight and you have it in the open position. You want to just loosen the nut, reposition the handle, and then tighten the nut again. Be careful not to over tighten the nut though, because then it'll get stuck again. Another problem it could be is that the lever arm is broken or cracked. If that's the case, just replace the whole assembly completely. Keep in mind the orientation of your handle before you go to the store. Is it left or right, front, or is it on the side? They make a universal handle that you can buy, and that will solve the problem. If the flush handle works properly but it still doesn't flush, it could be that the chain connecting the arm to the flapper is disconnected or broken. It's much easier to work on the chain and the arm with the water out of the tank, so to do that, shut the water off, pull the flapper up and empty the tank. If the chain is disconnected from the arm, reconnect the chain from the flapper into the holes on the arm using the chain hook, leaving a little bit of slack in the chain. If the chain is disconnected from the flapper, reconnect the chain to the flapper. If the chain or flapper is defective, replace it. That's it, handle fix. For more plumbing solutions like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.